So, right now you're probably wondering, what is the responsive design? Well, in today's world, internet is one of the most important forms of media, and the internet's mostly consumed using desktop computers, right? But wait, how about mobile devices, smartphones, and tablets? The share of internet usage on these devices is growing every day. In 2011, mobile browsing took a share of about 11%. Last year, it was near to 25%, and the prediction says that this year, it can actually overtake the traditional desktop browsing. So what do all these numbers mean to you? Well, it means that if you don't want to lose any potential clients, then you need a great-looking website which is also optimized for mobile browsing. Because the problem of many current websites is that the user experience on mobile devices is, well, how do I put it? Terrible. And that's a mission for responsive design. Responsive websites respond to the screen size of the device you're viewing it on. So instead of creating different websites for different devices, your responsive website rearranges the elements to fit any screen. So you'll get more happy visitors, which also leads to more happy customers. Interested in responsive design? Want one of those responsive websites for your business? Well, that's something we can definitely help you with. Contact us today.